Well, we made it to a new lake, new waters. I've never fished before. It's up north from where I live. It's a little dark still. I'm trying to wait for a little bit more light. But it's pretty eerie. You can't tell. Pretty eerie when you see this. So I'm hoping like I can throw out a line out there and see if I can't get a cat. So we're going to try everything. I really don't know what's in these waters. Because like I said, I've never fished it before. But we're going to try and do everything. I got worms, I got cut bait, I got lures. We're going to do some fishing and see what's in here. So, let's start our adventure. And let's have a good morning, right? Good morning of fishing. Alright. Catch you out there. Alright. Well, still a little damp out. So, came through here and we made our spot. I think I found the spot I want to be at. So, we're going to get all set up and everything like that. My old bucket. Yeah, it's still pretty wet out. First thing I'm going to do, set up the cat rod. Get this thing put up with some cut bait. So, I made my cut bait last night. You know, Kool-Aid and chicken. Kool-Aid and chicken, you always gotta go with that, but that's the cut bait. I made it last night. Some cheap Tyson chicken with some tropical Kool-Aid. I love tropical Kool-Aid, so I'm pretty sure the fish will like tropical Kool-Aid. Right? Right. See if we can't get a good piece out of here. Oh, that looks like a good one. Put it on our hook. I like how I have a glove on one hand, but my other hand's just getting like, what's the point of the glove right now? So, but I mean, it's raw chicken. That's why I tend to not want salmonella. So we don't want salmonella. Right. Let's whip this bitch out there. See how far I can whip it. I haven't done this in a while. Shazah! Oh, that's a pretty good whip. Had a shazah it out there. Shazah! Alright. Well, we got that cut. We got that all hooked up. I'm going to get the whopper plopper out. Let's see, I'm going to put my bell on here. My old trusty bell. Don't really ring anymore. That's cool. There it goes. I'm already seeing fish popping out, so I'm going to throw a whopper plopper out there. Let's get that next. Let's get this jig off of here and get the old whoppy ploppy on here. I can't throw it along the bank here and try and get something. Maybe. Got it. Saw something pop up over these rocks over here. Hopefully, it's ain't a high trafficked water, so the fish ain't as pressured. I really should have brung out a sweater. It's pretty cool out right now. Well, if you didn't see that fish jump right out of the water, They're here. They obviously made their appearance. Made it very clear they are here. Oh, shit. That was a big-ass stork. Or whatever the fuck that was. I don't know what the hell that is. I see them all the time. I don't know what the hell that was. Scared the fuck out of me. A little bit. Alright. I don't like the top water. Alright, well, I just feel like being lazy right now. And not throwing out a bunch of casts right now. My back's kind of hurting from work. So, I'm just going to go with the old night crawler and slip bobber method. My back is killing me right now. So, I don't really want to keep casting. This is going to mess my shit up. And it's a little bit nipply. I should have really brung a jacket. Like, I am a dumbass right now. Probably the only dumbass out here in a freaking t-shirt right now. Damn it. God damn it. Oh well, let's throw her out there, right? Seeing all these people come out with their boats now, I wish I would have got my fishing kayak when I could. Maybe next year I'll get that. It's like $400. I mean, $400 or $500. I mean, it's not too pricey. I mean, you can get a pretty decent one for that price. So I might have to, man. I don't know if you guys can notice, but that sun over there, pink. I don't know if you guys can see that all the way over there, but that's pretty cool. Yeah, I had to take an old picture of that, man. You don't see that every day. So, had to take a picture of it. Well, alright. I had to go pee. So, we're back out here. I'm going to whip it back out there. We almost got something the first time. Something was hitting it. Pretty sure it was like a bass or something. Like nothing that can really put it into mouth. So, I'm going to shit whip it back out there. Huzzah! That didn't go for. Well, that didn't go very far. Had it ring a couple times, but just nothing on it. I think it's just something small enough to where it can't put it in its mouth, so it might be a little bass or something, or even a bullhead cat. So hopefully something grabs it and we see that pole bend down. I haven't seen that in a while, so hopefully. Oh, I got something to show. Kitty cat. And right through its eye. Yep. Another eye gouger. I really need to stop with these hooks. Alright, buddy, I got it out of your eye. Let go. Yeah, little kitty cat. cool. Not too bad. Alright, buddy. Go on. Oh, wow. We catch a kitty cat, and now we have something on the cat rod. Well, it was rattling. Well, at least we didn't get skunked this morning. That's one big damn thing I was afraid of. I don't want to be skunked. I think it's just too small. He has mouth around it to get the hook because it's a circle hook, so it would just hook itself. So I think it's just too small. Well, something was on it. God damn it. Fucking went right under. Took the fucking worm and everything. God damn it. Well, I know where I'm putting it. I got a salty. A little bitty fish. Itty bitty guy. Itty bitty guy. Oh man, that is a PB right there. That is my PB. Right to the fucking eye. I might as well just use you as bait now. Shit. Right through the... Damn. Caught my PB this morning. Shit. Hell yeah. Alright, well, not the best of luck, but, you know, I caught my PB. A little time. That thing was a tank, man. Swear, dude. Almost broke my rod. No lie. I caught a little baby kitty. I mean, I haven't fished there ever, so I just wanted to try it out for once. I was like, you know, I'm going to try a new spot. Get out of town. Why not, right? But yeah, that's about it. I mean, other than, you know, a couple rattles on the cat rod, I mean, it's probably because whatever was hitting it, it was either a bass. They do that sometimes. They'll mess with the cut bait. I have caught bass with cut bait. No lie. I'm not lying about that. But it was probably too small to get hooked or whatever. But hey, that's probably a lake I'm gonna go to a couple more times, just because it's so big of a lake that there's so much water that I haven't hit, and we're gonna keep going. I mean, I'm probably gonna come back here next weekend and stuff like that. So, I mean, stay tuned. I'm gonna upload a couple of shorts, upload this video. Hey, get outdoors, like I always say, man. And it ain't always about catching the fish. It's more about the experience than anything, and that's how I always look at it, man. I'm always pumped regardless of whether I get skunked or not. It's the fact of getting out there and living your damn life and not sitting on a damn couch. That's not living, man. Get out there, do something today. And I'll see you on the next video, man. Guys, everybody, enjoy your life. Do it. Enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend. Get out there, do what you want, live it. All right, peace.